when you have limited time and you need to cover plenty of syllabus, then this pattern will help you to complete a particular topic in a particular subject in 15 to 20 minutes time in the form of multiple choice questions where you'll be covering key areas from that topic. Hi. Multiple choice questions should be practiced on a day-to-day basis, consistently. It's because through practicing multiple choice questions, we can analyze the level of our understanding in any particular topic, concept, or for that matter, any subject. So that's the reason why we insist on practicing multiple choice questions on day-to-day basis, even in the compliance reports. So keeping this aside, how do you practice multiple choice questions, and is that really important? Yes. The manner in which you practice multiple choice questions will decide how your pace and how your accuracy is and what you're learning at the end of the test or at the end of a particular multiple choice question. So keeping this in the backdrop, we have created these point and shoot tests which are challenging at the same time fun. They're challenging because the pattern is in such a way that you'll have limited time possible for a particular test. We'll choose a particular topic in a particular subject and then we'll create a set of questions from that particular topic, and you'll have limited time. Like for example, 10 multiple choice questions should be solved in 5 minutes. So limited time, and on top of it, even more challenging is the fact that there is increased negative marking. Not 1/4 but 1/2 negative marking. So if you score well or if you score the question right, you'll be getting 4 marks. If you score it wrong, then you'll be losing 2 marks. So this challenging pattern will demand speed and accuracy while you're practicing in this particular format. So that's the challenging part. And the fun part is that once you're done with the test, ranking will be declared and you can have comparative analysis as per your wish. So practicing in this particular format is going to increase your speed, accuracy, and most importantly, since these are topic wise, you'll be able to comprehensively revise the entire topic in the form of multiple choice questions in 15 to 20 minutes time. Unlike textbook reading where you have to open the entire chapter, go through it, and then spend hours together, make notes, and proceed accordingly. That's not the case here because time is an important factor, especially 3 to 4 months before the exam. If you have plenty of time, textbook reading is a good thing. But when you have limited time and you need to cover plenty of syllabus, then this pattern will help you to complete a particular topic in a particular subject in 15 to 20 minutes time in the form of multiple choice questions where you'll be covering key areas from that topic, right? So these are some of the advantages you'll be getting by practicing tests in this format, and this is what exactly we have been doing in the form of point and shoot tests. So far we have around 56 tests in our test series, and every week couple of tests are being added on consistent basis, and you'll be getting a lot more tests in this particular format. And also you can find the list of these topics as per the timeline in general section of our e-classes, and for any further queries you can drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com in specific related to this point and shoot test, right? So just keep this in mind. Practicing multiple choice questions is very, very important. And before I conclude, no matter how much motivated you are, no matter how much confident you are, they are essential, right? Having these qualities is very much essential, but on practical basis, on ground level, what matters is how much qualitative hours or how much qualitative time you put into your preparation, because that's going to be the deciding factor. The more qualitative hours you put into your preparation, the better the output is going to be. There are no shortcuts, and don't believe someone says so, right? So put maximum effort possible. It's all about the amount of time you spend on your preparation, and that's how you're going to have a proportional outcome, right? So focus on what you have to do now, be process oriented, and you'll have successful outcomes as a natural consequence, right? I hope it's clear. And for any further queries, you can always drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com, and I'm just a mail away. So wish you all the best. Love you all.